Hello, this is Baron Obindip from DeviantArt, and today we're going to make a module with Indigo version 0.7.24, right there. Now, a few quick notes. Indigo's API is scheduled to change at any time, blah blah blah. Please don't be mad if it does, because it will. Go ahead and make a new project in Eclipse, name it whatever the heck you want. Mine will be Indigo EXT for this tutorial. Let me go ahead and erase that real quick so I can show you how to do some stuff. Okay, we want to go to Window, Preferences, and that wasn't there. You want to make a new. Name it something with Indigo in it, I guess. You want to add a jar. You want to find your indigo.jar, wherever that may be. Mine just so happens to be in the C drive conveniently. And we're going to make a new Java project. Name it whatever. For this example, it would be Indigo EXT. Okay, we want to make ourselves a new class. Let me go ahead and copy some data real quick. Okay, so new class. Okay, important. This package right here must be the same exact thing as it is up to this point. So this will always be there. It must be that exact package. At the very end, you want to make whatever your class name lowercase. You want to click finish. Okay, now we're going to extend the class module. Can that minimize? No, wait, we don't want to do that yet. We want to right click on this. We want to go to build path, add libraries. We're going to add a user library. One checkbox, Indigo extension, or whatever you named it earlier. Right here is everything that's inside of Indigo. Now you could hover over this and you can import. Go ahead and add the constructor and add unimplemented methods. Go ahead and erase this and name it to demo. This is whatever the name of the module is. Right here you could mount additional modules or additional commands. So we're going to make ourselves a quick command right here. We want to go to class, command demo, and we'll send command. We'll go ahead and import that. We'll add constructor. Want to remove that. Add unimplemented methods. Go ahead and clean this up a bit. I'm sorry for doing this in such a low resolution, but if I have it too high, my voice is completely off sync, so we're going to have to live with this. Name this whatever your command name is. And we'll go ahead and do some stuff in here. Now you are given the command name, parameters, the user that said your command, and the chat room you set it in. You guys could explore the little classes that are passed through like room, and you can get specific user data from it and whatnot. Okay, with this, we want to, generally for commands we want to use send message. Just want to automate it. And we're going to go ahead and send hello there to the user. Send message automatically tabs the user, so you don't even have to worry about that. An alternative to sending messages, you could also use magical method get bot, and you could access anything to do with the bot, mostly anything. You could ban, you could do other cool things, you could send non-parse messages, kick. You could also just send the message. Just be aware that this will not tab the user. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do some other things to do with the user class. Let me go ahead and just copy some stuff. Okay, now this stuff could go in here. Right here's syntax. Basically you would add any parameters, and you would add a I don't know, maybe by was a parameter or something, but you could add different parameters. You could give it a description. This will be shown up in the help menu and the about menu. God, this is annoying. And you could also do the same for this. Not add syntax, but you can throw in the description, which will also be shown in the help. Now there's special ones such as, let me go ahead and copy it. By default, version and author are me. So go ahead and just throw that into the module and the command. That'll set the credits in the version number. Now we'll go ahead and mount the command. Want to mount the extension, and we want new command demo. Go ahead and end that line, and we're pretty much done. Now we're going to go ahead and export this so we can run it with Indigo. I'll go ahead and stop my run. Now we'll go over here, File, Export. Now we want a jar file. Go to wherever your project is. Checkbox the package that you're editing. Now this is important. Whatever your main class is, you want to name it that .jar. It cannot be lowercase letters or anything. It has to be same casing and everything. And you want to just click finish. After that, you can go ahead and load it up. So we'll go ahead and start up Indigo. Right there. And right there's our new module. By default, the commands are in the guess. I'll show you how to make them for owner by default. Right there's our command. And we could view extension data on it. And that's it. Actually, no, it's not. We still have to do default username and user priv. Let me go ahead and find it real quick. That's one default group. And you could set that to whatever. You could set it to guest, you could set it to band, or whatever default group there is. But that's only if you want it to be default whenever you pack it up and everything. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have fun.